biking in Hualien. Can't believe it took me a week to actually do this, but better late than never. It's last day before I'm leaving, probably gonna leave tomorrow. Such a chill town, beautiful mountains around and it's green. Really feels different to the rest of Taiwan, to be honest. So it's quite nice. It's a nice place to lay low. Definitely going into the list of chill places. No fuss, no bus. Just relax. Ah, look at those mountains. Oh my god. Beautiful. Okay. There is a bike lane, which is good. I think so. Just following these other bikers. What are you selling? Ah, race ball. Okay. It's an air base here. You can hear the F-16 flying up or whatever they're doing. Oh wow, look at that area. This looks very cute over here. Looks like there's some hotels and you probably can't hear me with all this noise. And this little shack looks super cute. Very, very cute. There's a beach area over here. Oh my god, this is like such a cute little neighborhood. Moon Hotel, look at the design, super cute. This car, I'm gonna drive around it because whatever is happening. I don't know if I'm in the right. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, this is a hotel here just on the water. Wow, this is a cool spot. This is like a park. Oh wow, so nice. I think it's okay for bicycles, right? No cars, but bicycles are fine. Wow, look at that. Look at that sea. Wow. Wow. This is very, very cool. Look at that view. I'm here at the water side in Hualien. There's a beautiful, beautiful beach. Over here is quite nice area with some hotels. Not many people at all. Very, very serene, very, very cute. The water is really, really blue. I'm gonna go closer to the water and have a look. Yeah, so it's a stone beach, so there's no sand, so it's like tiny pebbles on the floor. As you can see, it's not super nice, doesn't look super nice, but the view is over here is quite amazing. And it's crazy for some reason how the water is, I mean, I expect much more noise coming from all those waves from over here. And I think because of this little hill here, the noise is getting blocked. But let's see, I get a little bit closer. Oh, it's beautiful. Doesn't look like people tend to swim here, and most of the locals that I asked about swimming, they said that it's not safe. It's like a really big drop and people don't really go swimming here. But this is looking pretty nice. Looking pretty nice over there. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful spot, Hualien. Very cool. Very nice. Wait, where is the sun? This way. Cool. So to come here, I hired a bicycle from just in front of the train station, and it took me about 25 minutes ride, so it's not very far. If you hire a scooter, that's probably going to be even easier. La li la la. Oh my god. Can't even believe this is the same country like Taichung and Taipei. Oh my god. This is awesome. It's beautiful. Amazing. Imagine living in that house just on the water. That's the thing again, nobody is swimming. Oh, okay. That's the end of it, I guess. Unless I want to go further down. residential Hualien. It's very, very cute. Some nice houses, some fields. Lotus City Garden in Hualien. Beautiful, beautiful spot. It's too bad that it's about to rain, so I gotta cycle back really quickly. Otherwise, that would be a very cool place to chill out. We can also stand in the waterway, so you see some people are standing to cool down, I guess. This is the water that runs all through the fields and waters all the rice fields and all the farms that are basically all the farmland around here. Oh yeah, and these are the fish. It's like a fish feeding thing. They really run to you. But I don't have any food, but this is really cool to see. Yeah. Nice. Very cute, very nice spot. I recommend to visit. It's a cute place. Unfortunately, I gotta bounce. There's also a kitchen here. Maybe they serve some food or some snacks. And there's a tea shop, souvenir shop. Quite cool, quite nice. Ja.